Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Sudanese Kufta, which are Sudanese meatballs, and I'm going to make it according to my recipe. So stay tuned! So we're going to go over the ingredients for the turkey kuftas. You need ground turkey, a half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, some cumin, salt, pepper, some water, and some bread that we're going to soak. Some water. We're gonna add everything in the blender. First the onions, then the garlic, our spices, and our breadcrumbs, our soaked breadcrumbs. Soaked bread. This is the consistency you want when you blend everything up, and you're gonna add it to your ground meat. You don't want it to be too watery because then you can't form the meatballs well. Then you're just gonna mix everything up. Okay, once you've mixed everything together, you're gonna form meatballs like this. Just try to get somewhat a uniform form. So you're going to add a generous amount of oil into the pan and make sure it's on high heat. You want those meatballs sizzling. Make sure it's nice and hot, and you can start placing your meatballs in the oil. Give it a nice sear. And once you've seared off both sides, you can lower the heat and cover the pot, your pan.